Most people go to sleep while their body is doing its most important work, repairing tissue, clearing waste, resetting inflammation. What almost no one realizes is that certain substances, when applied at night, can dramatically amplify this process. Castor oil is one of them. Your body does not heal randomly. It follows a rhythm, and the most powerful phase of that rhythm begins after you fall asleep. While you are unconscious, a silent transition occurs. Hormones shift. Blood flow redistributes. The nervous system changes mode. This is the window when repair, detoxification, and regeneration quietly take over. Most people pass through this phase every night without supporting it. But certain substances, when used at the right moment, can amplify what the body is already trying to do. Castor oil fits perfectly into this window. Castor oil is not a modern wellness trend. It has been used for thousands of years across different cultures. Not because of tradition or belief, but because it produced consistent physical effects. Ancient practitioners did not understand receptors or molecular pathways, but they understood outcomes. Swelling reduced, digestion improved, pain softened, sleep deepened. Modern biochemistry now explains why these effects occur and why timing matters more than dosage. The key factor is sleep. During deep sleep, the body enters an active recovery state. The brain engages its waste-clearing system, flushing metabolic byproducts that accumulate during waking hours. The liver increases detoxification activity. The lymphatic system becomes more efficient at moving stagnant fluids and immune waste out of tissue. Inflammation naturally decreases. Cortisol drops. This is not accidental. It is a coordinated biological reset. Applying castor oil before sleep works because it aligns with this internal process. Instead of forcing the body to act against its natural cycles, it supports mechanisms that are already active. Castor oil contains a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound is small enough to penetrate the skin barrier and biologically active enough to interact with receptors involved in inflammation, smooth muscle tone, and circulation. One of the most important interactions occurs with EP3 receptors. These receptors help regulate inflammatory signaling and tissue movement. When ricinoleic acid binds to them, it encourages gentle contraction in smooth muscle and improves localized circulation. This matters because many modern health complaints are driven by stagnation rather than deficiency. Fluids stop moving efficiently. Waste accumulates. Inflammation lingers longer than it should. Castor oil does not introduce something foreign. It helps restore motion. Timing is critical. During the day, the nervous system is dominated by alertness and stress response. At night, dominance shifts to the parasympathetic system, responsible for digestion, repair, and immune regulation. Substances introduced during this window are more likely to support restoration rather than trigger stimulation. The same compound can behave very differently depending on when it is used. Skin absorption also changes slightly at night. Blood vessels near the surface dilate, body temperature drops. These conditions can enhance transdermal uptake. When castor oil is applied before bed, it has uninterrupted time to interact with tissues without interference from movement or environmental exposure. It becomes part of the internal environment the body is working within during recovery. This is why castor oil should not be viewed as a drug that overrides physiology. It does not suppress symptoms. It supports processes already built into the system. Suppression often creates dependency. Support encourages self. This distinction explains why castor oil has remained relevant across centuries without losing effectiveness. Many people approach health by asking what they can add. More supplements, more stimulation, more intervention. But biology often responds better to subtraction, removing congestion, reducing inflammatory load, improving circulation, supporting elimination. Castor oil fits this approach because it works by clearing obstacles rather than forcing outcomes. Early effects are often subtle. Slightly deeper sleep, reduced morning stiffness, less abdominal pressure. These are signals that internal movement is improving. Over time, as nightly cycles repeat, deeper changes follow. What makes castor oil remarkable is not that it targets one system, but that it supports several interconnected systems at once. Understanding this framework is essential before examining specific outcomes. Without it, castor oil sounds like folklore. With it, the effects become logical. When a biologically active compound is aligned with the body's natural nighttime repair cycle, the results stop being mysterious. They become predictable. And predictable biology is far more powerful than belief. One of the earliest changes many people notice when using castor oil at night is a shift in abdominal comfort. The sensation of pressure, bloating, or heaviness in the gut often fades by morning. This effect is frequently dismissed as placebo or temporary water loss, but it reflects a real physiological response tied to movement within the digestive system. The intestines are made largely of smooth muscle. Their job is not only to digest food, but to keep contents moving at a steady rhythm. When that rhythm slows, fermentation increases. Gas builds. Waste lingers. Inflammation follows. Modern habits make this worse. Long hours, sitting, shallow breathing, irregular meals, and chronic stress all interfere with natural intestinal motion. Ricinoleic acid, the primary active compound in castor oil, interacts with receptors embedded in smooth muscle tissue. When applied over the abdomen, it penetrates the skin and creates a localized signaling effect. This signal does not trigger harsh contractions. Instead, it supports gentle, coordinated movement that restores normal flow. The result is gradual clearing rather than forced evacuation. This distinction is critical. Aggressive laxatives shock the system, pulling water into the intestines and creating dependency over time. Castor oil works differently. It supports the tissue's own contractile ability rather than overriding function. It reminds the system how to move again. That is why the effect often feels natural and controlled rather than urgent. The same principle applies to the lymphatic system. Unlike the circulatory system, lymphatic flow does not rely on a central pump. It depends on movement, pressure changes, and muscle activity. When these inputs decrease, lymph becomes stagnant. Toxins, cellular debris, and immune waste accumulate in tissues instead of being cleared efficiently. Nighttime application of castor oil over the abdomen or liver region supports lymph movement when the body is already prioritizing cleanup, improve circulation, and gentle tissue compression during sleep, encourage fluid exchange. This helps reduce swelling, supports detoxification, and improves immune efficiency without overstimulation. The immune system benefits indirectly from this process. Lymph transports immune cells through filtering stations that detect and respond to threats. When flow improves, immune surveillance becomes more precise. The body can respond when necessary instead of remaining in a constant low-grade inflammatory state. This balance is essential for long-term health. Sleep quality is another area where these effects converge. Digestive discomfort, inflammation, and lymphatic congestion all send stress signals to the brain. These signals keep the nervous system alert even when the body is exhausted. When abdominal tension softens and inflammation decreases, the nervous system receives a different message. Parasympathetic activity increases. Heart rate slows. Breathing deepens. The body shifts into a state where sleep is not forced, but allowed. This supports more stable melatonin production and fewer nighttime awakenings. The result is deeper, more restorative sleep without sedation. Skin responds to this internal shift as well. During sleep, blood flow to the skin increases and cell repair accelerates. Castor oil acts as a humectant, drawing moisture into the skin while penetrating deeply enough to support elasticity. Unlike heavier oils that clog pores, castor oil helps maintain balance within the skin barrier. Joint comfort follows the same logic. Inflammation and restricted circulation contribute to stiffness and pain. Applying castor oil before bed supports improved blood flow and reduced inflammatory signaling during the body's repair window rather than masking pain. It creates conditions that allow healing to progress. Across these systems, a single pattern emerges. The issue is rarely lack of intervention. It is lack of flow. When movement is restored, pressure eases. When waste clears, inflammation drops. Supporting these processes during sleep amplifies the body's natural capacity to reset. Castor oil works not because it forces change, but because it supports motion at the moment the body is most receptive to it. Another area where castor oil produces meaningful long-term effects is tissue regeneration. This includes hair follicles, scar tissue, and connective structures that tend to receive limited circulation over time. These tissues often struggle to repair themselves, not because the body lacks resources, but because delivery systems become inefficient, blood flow slows, inflammatory signals persist, cellular turnover weakens. Nighttime application of castor oil helps improve these conditions by supporting circulation and biochemical signaling during the body's natural repair window. Hair follicles are especially sensitive to inflammation and blood supply. When circulation to the scalp decreases, follicles enter a dormant state. They are not destroyed, but inactive. Certain inflammatory compounds interfere with the normal growth cycle, preventing follicles from re-entering the active phase. Ricinoleic acid influences pathways related to prostaglandin activity, compounds involved in inflammation, and tissue signaling. By reducing inflammatory interference and increasing localized blood flow, castor oil creates conditions that favor reactivation rather than suppression. This explains why consistent topical use is often associated with reduced shedding and improved hair density over time. The process is gradual. Hair growth follows biological cycles that take weeks or months to complete. Supporting these cycles during sleep when repair signals are strongest, increases the likelihood of sustained improvement rather than short-term cosmetic effects. Scar tissue responds through a different but related mechanism. Scars form when connective tissue becomes disorganized after injury or surgery. Instead of flexible, aligned fibers, scar tissue is dense, rigid, and poorly vested. This limits movement and sensation in surrounding areas. Castor oil penetrates deeply enough to support softening of this rigid structure over time. Improved circulation allows enzymes and nutrients to reach the tissue, encouraging gradual remodeling. This process requires consistency. Scar remodeling is slow by nature, but nightly application provides repeated support during the hours when cellular repair is most active. Over time, scars often become softer, more flexible, and less prominent. Stretch marks follow a similar pattern. They are structural changes beneath the skin rather than surface imperfections. Supporting hydration and circulation improves elasticity and overall appearance. Skin health extends beyond appearance. The skin hosts a complex microbiome that protects against infection and regulates inflammation. When pores become clogged or the skin barrier is disrupted, microbial balance shifts. Castor oil has mild antimicrobial properties and dissolves waxy buildup instead of trapping it. This allows pores to clear without aggressive stripping, supporting healthier skin function over time. Immune regulation is another system influenced indirectly by nighttime application. Immune activity follows circadian rhythms. Certain immune functions increase during sleep, allowing the body to repair without excessive inflammatory response. Supporting lymphatic movement and circulation during this window improves immune efficiency without Applying castor oil over areas rich in lymph nodes supports fluid movement and immune signaling. Immune cells rely on circulation to travel between tissues and filtering centers. When movement improves, immune response becomes more precise. The body can respond effectively without remaining in a constant state of alert. Eye comfort highlights the same principle. Many cases of dry or irritated eyes result from poor oil balance rather than lack of moisture. When applied carefully to the eyelids, castor oil supports lipid stability around the eyes, reducing evaporation and improving comfort by morning. Across all these effects, a consistent pattern appears. Symptoms often arise not from absence, but from imbalance. Too much inflammation, too much stagnation, too little movement. Castor oil does not flood the system. It restores proportion. Used consistently at night, these small adjustments compound. Health improves not because something new is forced into the body, but because barriers are removed and systems are allowed to function as designed. As castor oil becomes more popular again, one critical issue must be addressed. Quality matters. A substance capable of penetrating the skin, influencing circulation, and interacting with biological signal and pathways must be chosen carefully. When quality is ignored, the very mechanism that makes castor oil effective can quietly turn against the body. Modern industrial processing prioritizes speed and efficiency over safety. Castor seeds are dense and difficult to press. So many manufacturers use chemical solvents to extract the oil. One of the most common solvents is hexane, a petroleum-derived compound known for its neurotoxic properties. While hexane is meant to evaporate during processing, trace residues can remain. When such oil is applied repeatedly to the skin, absorption becomes cumulative rather than incidental. The skin is not a sealed barrier. It is an interface. Compounds that dissolve fats cross it easily. This is why castor oil works so well transdermally, and also why contamination is dangerous. When residues enter the body through the skin, they bypass digestive detox pathways and place additional burden on the liver and nervous system. The result may not be immediate symptoms, but long-term imbalance. Container choice introduces another overlooked risk. Ricinoleic acid is an aggressive penetrator. It interacts not only with skin, but with the materials it contacts. When castor oil is stored in plastic, it can pull chemicals such as BPA and phthalates from the container itself. These compounds are endocrine disruptors. They interfere with hormone signaling by mimicking estrogen and disrupting thyroid regulation. Repeated exposure, even at low levels, can quietly alter hormonal balance. Applying contaminated oil near hormone-sensitive areas during sleep, when absorption and cellular signaling are heightened, compounds the risk. What is intended to support detoxification can instead introduce new stressors into the system. This is why extraction, method, and storage are non-negotiable. Cold-pressed oil preserves the functional structure of ricinoleic acid and avoids solvent contamination. Excessive heat damages delicate molecular bonds and reduces biological activity. Glass containers prevent chemical leaching. These are not marketing preferences. They are safety requirements for a substance designed to penetrate deeply. Equally important is intention. Castor oil is not a replacement for medical care. And it does not override disease. It supports foundational processes that modern life often suppresses. Expecting it to act as a miracle cure leads to disappointment. Understanding it as a supportive tool creates realistic expectations and sustainable results. The deeper principle underlying castor oil use is not the oil itself. It is the concept of stagnation. Many modern symptoms arise not from deficiency, but from accumulation. Waste that is not cleared. Fluids that stop moving. Signals that remain activated longer than necessary. Conventional approaches often treat the visible effects while ignoring the underlying congestion. Pain is suppressed. Inflammation is blocked. Digestion is forced. Relief comes, but dependency follows. Castor oil operates differently. It does not silence signals. It helps resolve the conditions creating them. When circulation improves, pain eases naturally. When waste clears, inflammation subsides. When systems communicate efficiently, balance returns. This approach aligns with what some researchers describe as the subtractive model of health. Instead of adding more interventions, remove what interferes. Support elimination rather than stimulation. Allow the body to complete processes it already knows how to perform. Nighttime is when this philosophy works best. Sleep is not passive. It is active maintenance. When supported correctly, the body becomes remarkably efficient. Small interventions, timed properly, often outperform aggressive measures applied randomly. Applying castor oil before sleep fits into this logic. It works because it respects timing, flow, and restraint. It does not demand results. It creates conditions. Health improves not because something new is added, but because something essential is no longer blocked. Sleep does the work. The oil simply clears the way.